What's up guys, again this is 1 minute beatbox lesson, and today I'm going to share to you how to create an inward Liproll sound. So an inward Liproll sound, it sounds like this. Okay, so to do that inward Liproll sound is try to position your lips like this. Like so if you're trying to get the Liproll sound here, this side, and you should position your lower lip on the opposite side. Okay, so just try this. You don't need to inhale some air, but just try to use your lips on creating that sound. Okay, try to create this sound first, like. Okay, so just try it now. And also you can combine this in a different beatbox pattern like this. Okay. So don't give up guys, though this sound takes time, but you can do it. Okay, so thanks for watching guys, and please subscribe, the link button there for more videos. Peace.